Alright, since I'm replacing the wastegate on my X3, I decided to do a quick video on how do you remove it. So it looks like we're going to be removing that clip there, and I believe 2 bolts right there on the wastegate. Hopefully I don't have to remove the whole housing. We will have to remove that hose, and that clamp we have to kind of cut it off, and we'll have to use a different style unless you have the tools and that type of clamp. But yeah, let me set it up. I got a little mount here. We'll see how good it records. I have a tight space because of the vent sheet. It's too hard to get it out, so I just have it up, and I'll be trying to get in here somehow, but we'll figure it out. We're live. All right, so let's get this clamp off. And then 2 10mm bolts. Nuts. Pull off this line and you're good. Here's your OEM wastegate. This is the Evo brand. Alright, so the same way you took it off is the same way you put it back on, just those 2 bolts. Now we're gonna adjust the wastegate, so let me clip this back on. There we go. It's a little harder to clip on, but let's see what it's set at right now. Right, let's set up our Medivac. Just so you know, you need one that puts out pressure. So this one does both, and we have it to push pressure. So we're gonna set it here and apply some pressure until we see it move. So that's at 12. So I saw it move at 12. We might have to come back a little bit. Yep, it's at 12. So we almost had it. So I think we did 1 full turn, I believe. Let's try it again. That moved at 11. Let me show you guys. That's at 11. And then I wouldn't suggest to reuse your clip here. once you take it off, I suggest just using a new one. This is the part number here. That nut that's there is a size 10. Let's tighten it up. There we go. And now we just place this hose there. The size is different. I'm gonna put a little bit of soap in there just to slide in, and then I'll be placing either a clamp or a zip tie. You don't want this falling off. Alright, I did this part off camera, but I wanted to show you guys what it looks like. Here's the brand new clip, clipped on. Make sure you put it on there correctly because you don't want that to come off. And then it doesn't have to be an actual clamp like this, but I'd rather just put one on instead of a zip tie. And that's what it looks like. All adjusted. Just finishing up a few more things. If you guys ever have a question, feel free to comment down below. I usually try and reply in a timely manner. If I know the answer, I'll help out. I'm always active on Instagram as well. But this is what it's looking like. Don't mind this. And I've been trying to record a little bit here and there. I'll probably do little bits of videos for you guys. But as always, thanks for watching.